In this video, I'll detail how to enable zoom on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to enable zoom, then this video is going to walk you through. So if at the end of this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. With the zoom function on your Apple Watch Series 9, you will be able to view a bigger version of your screen, then the apps, and then the settings page. So here, I'm going to basically show you how you can enable zoom on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here is press the digital crown to exit the clock screen and return to app screen or app menu. Click on settings. On the settings page, scroll down. You can use the digital crown to scroll down or scroll down by swiping the screen like this until you get to accessibility. Then click on that. Then when the accessibility, locate zoom and click on it. Then here you have option to zoom in and zoom out. Then turn this to zoom, then that's it. So if you hit the digital crown, then you should see everything zoomed. You can use the digital crown to rotate like this. So that then if you go to the app menu, you should see everything zoom as well. So that's how you can easily zoom on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.